Hi, my name is Tom Kopke. I work with Peterson Toyota in the accessory department. Today I'm showing you my 2017 Toyota Tundra Crew Max. A few of the things I went through and did to it. First thing I swapped out was the actual front grille. It used to be chrome. Went through and actually is color matched to the color of the vehicle, and also has like a matte black finish on the very front of it. The actual Toyota is actually in like a lighter silver, which actually makes it kind of stand out quite a bit. Next I went through and I did a vinyl wrap on the bumpers. Went through and got rid of the chrome. Changed out the fog lights to the rigid industry pods, and went through and had the actual brackets for the Tundra basically put in there as well. Next up, I went through and on the wheels I did Fuel Crush 20x9 wheels, and then NITTO Ridge Grappler tires, which are a 10 ply. It's more like a hybrid. Next up I went through and did window tinting and the vent visors as well. Suspension wise on the truck, I went through and I did the TOYTEC Boss Performance Kit, which is a full adjustable coilover system in the front. Has a progressive add leaf in the rear along with remote reservoirs on the shocks. Also went through and did some amp research power steps. Open the door, the step drops down, and then when you close it, it actually goes back up. Has two different lights on the top, so when you're say in the dark, you're trying to go step up in the truck, you can actually see where you're actually stepping onto. Also went through and I did a FLOWMASTER dual exhaust system on this. Had ceramic coated black tips put on it as well. Did the same thing on the rear bumper as well. Went through and vinyl wrapped to get rid of the chrome. Did the Tundra tailgate inlay, which is like a 3D sticker, and then smoked out the taillights and the third brake light. And then also did a spray and bed liner to protect the bed as well, and did a factory bed mat, so like if I have anything like bigger objects, they won't slide around in the back of the bed. So if you have any questions or any accessory needs, feel free to come see us at Peterson Toyota. We're in the showroom as well. So hope you have a great day and hope you enjoyed it.